basic discount plan for new customers, and that was that $25 a month. It's 25 Mbps. That is the slowest, and maybe some people might laugh at that speed, but I'm going to talk to you about that speed, okay? So they gave me that, and I was like, oh, this is awesome. I'm only paying for the speed that I need. If you're doing all the basics and just not doing like gaming, I would call and test out that 25 Mbps. On Netflix, they say you only need 5 Mbps in order to like stream Netflix all day long. And then on Zoom, they tell you for like working remote, you only need 3.8, and that's like for webinars, doing like, you know, full-on audience Zoom calls. So that's very, very low. So I would call and test out a slower speed. I don't want to say it's slower, but it is slower. But it really, there's no difference. There's no lag. So